Forget everything you know about the law of attraction. Forget it. It's not going to work anymore. This is the Great Awakening. All that stuff from The Secret, all of that stuff from the past, it's not going to work. Here's what you need to do instead. Practice authenticity. Authenticity is the new enlightenment. The Great Awakening has begun. The law of attraction, the law of magnetism, the way that it used to work, it's not going to work like that anymore. The fake it till you make it, all that stuff, all the believing, all the visualization, it's not going to work. Understand that the new reality, the new way of thinking demands that you embody that frequency before it manifests into your life. So forget the law of attraction, forget about making lists and visualization, forget all that stuff and just practice authenticity. Seriously, get all those rules out of your head and all those things those were all rooted in the old paradigm, rooted in 3D and duality. We are now ascending to 5D, ascending to this greater heart-centered consciousness. The only thing that is demanded from you is authenticity. You have to be yourself. You have to own your weirdness. You have to own all of those imperfections, all of those details, all of those things in your life that you didn't think were worthy. Guess what? You are worthy. You are infinite. You are so much more than what you think you are. Now, get beyond the law of attraction. Yes, the law of magnetism is still in place. Yes, the law of attraction dictating that the vibratory point that you are at is going to ripple out into the universe and create those same results. Yes, that hasn't changed. The only thing has changed is you now have to embody it. You now have to fully resonate at that same vibratory level as the thing that you're manifesting in order to bring it into your life. And to simplify that, it's called authenticity. You can't fake this. Nobody can do it for you. You have to embody that frequency before it manifests into your life. So get all those rules, all those lists, all those visualization techniques, get all that stuff out of your life. Get it out of your head. Authenticity is the only thing, it's the most powerful thing that is going to increase your manifestation power. It is by far the greatest tool to help you manifest the reality that you want. Authenticity is the new enlightenment. Let's get rid of all those words. Let's get rid of Ascension and all the new age terms. All that stuff has got to go. Practice authenticity. Own every mistake. Own every wrong deed you've ever done to somebody else. All of that stuff has to come into the now. We cannot hold those skeletons in the closet anymore. Pull it all out. Now is the time, right? We're all stuck in quarantine. We're all doing things that are involving an indoor practice. Well, guess what? Meditate. Figure out what is blocking your energy. What is keeping you stuck in 3D? What is keeping you stuck in that lower vibration? All of that has to be pulled out and looked at. Have the courage, have the faith in the universe to know that the upgrade, the gift has been wrapped up in a package just for you. Open up that gift, unlock the next level of consciousness by practicing authenticity. Be yourself. All the programming, all the stuff that you thought that you had to be has got to go. Whether it's your parents, your friends, your peers, loved ones, significant other, whoever it might be in your life that is constantly putting you up on a pedestal, let that go. Surrender and repeat. Seriously, this is the only way to help you deprogram or unschool all of those things that were no longer serving the higher collective or the higher consciousness. All of the things, the fake things that you were doing, all of those things that were gratifying to the senses, creating a very temporary release has got to go. We are here for the long run. This is the sustainable way. We are paving the way for the new earth. This involves community. This involves getting in tune with your gifts, getting into that right brain and getting creative. Start sharing with one another. Start creating positivity in your life. Start doing the things that you were missing when you were growing up. All of the things that you were neglected as a child. Be that change for the next generation. That is what we are doing right now. All that old law of attraction stuff, all the stuff from The Secret, everything like that was rooted in 3D. It was rooted in duality. And nothing against it because it worked for a lot of us. It got us to the point where we are now. Evolution is demanding that we go even deeper, that we go further and higher into our consciousness. This is never ending. If you have a physical body on planet Earth, you're watching this video right now, then you are part of the Great Awakening. You are part of the Light Warriors. You are here for higher consciousness. You are here to create the change in your community so you can be the example and rise up to the next level. That's what we're all doing. We're being tested every single day by the universe. More and more fear is going to penetrate your being to the point where you have to choose love. Otherwise, you're just going to suffer more. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of that. I'm tired of feeling overwhelmed. I'm tired of being fear-based into a reality and pressured into something about who I should be instead of who I really am. Open your heart, open that passion, get into that creative space where you can unlock your true identity. Every single label, every single program that you've put on yourself has got to go. It was stamped on you as soon as you were born, from your parents, from your peers. Oh, he's going to be a doctor. Oh, she's going to be a great lawyer when she grows up. Boom. That's not you. Drop all that. Recognize that that real you is right here in the heart, in the Atman, the soul within the soul. It is huge. It is ever expanding. It is immortal. You are an infinite being. You cannot die. You are immortal. You were never born and you were never going to die. This is just a meat suit wrapping all that up. That light is penetrating and expanding every vessel, every cell in your body. Illuminate every single chakra. Get that Kundalini energy flowing. All will be revealed to you. Authenticity is by far the best tool to create an awakening. That is the new enlightenment. That is the shift that has already happened. Have you answered the call from the universe? Are you paying attention to the signs? Are you putting those puzzle pieces together and creating this new earth? That is what is demanded from you. That is the change that we've been waiting for. It's here. There's no more waiting. It is here. It's time for you to take action. All of the things that weren't sustainable in your life, all of those things have got to go. All of those things that were rooted in fear, all of those things that were keeping you back, they are now gone. They have been completely dissolved by this current outbreak, by this current situation that we were all in. Whether it's for the bad, whether it's for the good, it doesn't matter. Recognize what is. Nobody can take away your light. Nobody can take you from that thing that you were meant to be. Nobody. You are the only one who's standing in front of your upgrades. That's it. If you're ready for the next level, affirm it right now within your body, within your higher self, and every single person will rearrange in your life to create that change. That's how this works. That's how the new law of attraction works. It's all based on authenticity. As long as you are authentic, as long as you are completely owning every mistake, and you are sincere and honest, that is what is demanded from you. That is what's going to propel you into the next level. And just keep it up. Just keep moving. Keep going through every single emotion, every single trauma. More and more is going to arise in your field, allowing you to enter that next level of consciousness. It's okay. All you have to do is stay in the heart. Stay in that love. Stay in that high vibration. That's going to allow you to enter the next level of consciousness. All you have to do is practice authenticity. Keep it simple. Don't complicate this. Don't let the mind get ahead of you. Stay in love. Stay in the heart-centered consciousness that we are all rising up to be. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Peace, infinite love. I'm out.